We're gonna do some dove and dumplings, folks. Hope you're hungry, cause it's gonna be delicious.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Morning, everybody. Welcome to Texas Bearded Adventures. I'm B1, your host, and today we're going dove hunting. Isn't that right?
Yes.
It is 6 o'clock right now. We're headed down to a buddy of mine's place. We gotta stop and get some ice, and we're gonna get after that dove hunting. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed already, do that now. Hit the notification bell, and I hope you enjoy. Hello, y'all open yet? You gonna play the silly game? Are y'all open yet? Y'all open or what? 7. 7. Chingo. Now we wait. Oh, got one. Nailed them. Yeah, baby. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. There we go, boys. Hey, man, you got any room on there for me? That's a pretty sweet ride. Hey, Chaz, is that electric start? Oh, give it a little throttle.
Does that answer your question?
That.
Hang on, Waylon.
Hang on. Oh, that thing is awesome. Yeah! We got ourselves a pan full of doves.
Well, I don't know if that's a pan full. That's more like half a dozen.
Well, I got like 24 or 48. I mean, I was never good at counting in high school. But what I'm doing here is I'm taking the meat right off the breastplate. So what you want to do is you want to run your thumb down either side of the breastplate, okay? Peel it down the middle and then just pull it. You will separate the breastplate from the meat. You just throw it in your pan here. So now that we've got our bacon bits with our deboned dove breast in there, we're gonna throw it on the pit, get it cooked down. We're gonna throw some seasoning on there. We got our dove with our bacon here. Cooking it down.
You gotta get that broth. You gotta stew it down to get that broth.
Get that nice broth going. We got us some organic chicken stock. Put it on here.
Look at that beautiful roux. It's like Cajun style, guys. You gotta brown that meat, cook it down. It's the meat.
Woo-wee! So what we got here is we got us some Grands buttermilk biscuits. And what I'm doing is I'm just breaking up in little balls, throwing them in here. And this is what's gonna make our roux.
Let's take a look. Does that not look good?
All right, so we got this old dove and dumplings. Pull up the grill. Ooh, wee!
Man, that's a stew right there.
Ah, diggity dog, boy.
Brad's gonna go all in right here.
Let's see what happens.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
This is delicious, boys. I tell you what. Oh. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And we'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies.
Go, three.
Feet first. Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
fourth beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
That DNR. All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going. Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.